Alrighty, 1998 Toyota Corolla. It's it's color time, painting time. So I'm using some bug and tar grease remover just to wipe down it really quick. You never knew when some irritant bird might have flew over and did something when I wasn't looking. Well, I'd be having bigger problems if that happened, probably. But I'm just wiping the surface down, wiping it down, coming through. Just getting any last minute contaminants off that I might have missed with my soapy water concoction. Then I'll come around with some spray away, because I'm trying to avoid paint interaction. Bad paint interaction. There you go. Pull this over. So, I was thinking about this a little bit. I had a series on a 1998 Ford Ranger, AbleCraft Ford Ranger, otherwise known as the learning vehicle, right? So with that, right, it kind of occurred to me, I've did a lot of repair on that thing. But I felt pretty confident up to this stage doing what I have done, I think because of the hours and hours of literally doing metal fabrication on that, to Allen Wright, creating metal templates for it, to welding in rocker panels and all sorts of craziness, right? And then self-etching primer to just try to get that thing that it'll look halfway presentable. But the point is, it's the practice of how I took that vehicle and took all the mistakes that I'm still making, you could say, but yet I feel a lot confident due to the fact that I've had a lot of time to practice. Just pure practice. And I think there's no substitute for that. My channel, or I call it your channel, really. I do these videos just so I can remember what I do when I reach that age when I don't remember things anymore, whatever that is. And so I can look back. But anyway, the point is, this channel is really about the whole idea of just becoming confident and manual competence to just do something, even if you fail a million times. Just get out there and do it, and eventually you will succeed. We're not trying to build rocket ships and create the light bulb. That's already been done. We're just trying to paint a car, right? So I just want to say that through my own practice and learning, and I've had some formal education in some aspects, but really it's all theory till you get on down to it. Now the thing about this whole, there's a little bit of something right here, right? I don't like that. Let me get that out of here. So the main thing I'm really speaking upon, though, is that I will have to apply all my OCD techniques to try to get this hood, to paint on this hood. I'm going to use one can. What you see me doing is there's something got in here, some type of lint or grease or something, I don't know. So I'm trying to wipe it out. Because I do know if it shows on the panel, it's going to show up possibly in the paint. And I didn't get to this stage to have that. Alright, let me find something here. Find another cloth here. Clean. Use this here. Introduce more fiber. There we go. just a quick wisping, yeah. I just used a quick paper towel. I just didn't like what I saw there. Sorry, I was in mid-thought. But this again, little details, right? I just want to hit it. You guys probably can't see what I'm seeing or what I'm doing, but that's okay. This little blue microfiber thing. Nah, I'm not gonna use it again. Picked up something in this one area. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let me grab another claw. Here we go. Disaster avoided. Whew. I got a terry cloth towel. There you go. Disaster avoided. We're not gonna crash. Okay, so where was I? So anyway, I'm gonna get some paint on this car, and hopefully what I'm gonna do is gonna be successful. I'm gonna use one can, I'll show you the can, I'll show you what I'm gonna do. And hopefully this thing will come out better than what it was when we started this project about 20 days ago. Yeah. I do have a tack cloth. I'll probably use that in between coats on any type of dust. I've learned also with painting, if there's any dust, if there's anything on the car, obviously it's going to come out through the paint. The idea is just to try to get as much as you can off. I'm not in a hermetically sealed paint booth, so there's nothing to be avoided. And here we go. Throw some tape on that window washer. Moving quick. Time is of the essence. So yes, manual competence. That is the word. That is what I aspire to. I aspire to do things with my hands that my creator gave me to do, the ability to do it. I'm not trying, like I said, I'm not trying to build a rocket ship here. I'm not trying to create the cure to some killer thing out there, disease. I just want to paint a car. And I aspire you guys to get manual competent too. And that just comes by practice. Getting knowledgeable and, man, building your craft, working your craft. And that's what I'm about to do here. Here we go. There we go now. Okay. Let's see. What I'm using here is this Duplicolor Perfect Match. Original Toyota colors. Yep. Shake her up. Shake it up. Shake it up. Yeah. Alright. It's a little breezy out, but that's okay. I work in all conditions. Yeah, as you can tell, I'm getting myself psyched up. Psyching it up. Alright, here we go. We're going in. Wind's blowing from that direction, so I'm going to start on this side. Ooh, man, we got a breeze. Alright. Alright, tactical pause, folks. Tactical pause. Alright, let's start up top. I'm just going to do the... Man, that breeze is kicking. Sorry, folks. Sorry for the delay. All right, here we go. Yeah, that breeze is blowing that way. So I'll blow it up the panel. Gotta move quick. Figure it out. With this Duplicolor stuff, gotta keep it tight. Gotta move quick. Keep moving that can. It is an adjustable pattern, so you can adjust the tip this way or this way. Oh yeah, see that wind? Whew. Little breeze, right? It's all right though. No excuses. You work with what you got, and you work it. Work it, work it, work it. All right, keep the paint off. Yeah, I'm jumping around a little bit. But there's a method to my madness. All right. All right, spin your hair. Tighten up my shock group. There you go. Alright, I'm ready now. Man, that breeze is killing me. Oh. Amazing. Oh well. Like I said, the first coat is just a light coat. There you go, no breeze. I'm just following this wet edge. Keeping it tight, keeping it tight. Yeah. Shake it in between the runs. Throw something on here. This can's sputtering, but he's holding in there. I just put on that contour a little bit right here. And I always got to remind myself, the paint just gives the color, it doesn't give the shine. So I don't worry about that. Alright, well, this can's already getting low. So alright, I'm gonna let that one tack up for a good 10 minutes and I'll be back. And I'll throw on another 2 coats, and I do have another can, and then we'll call it a day on that and we'll go from there. So anyway, this concludes part 2, day 3, using this perfect color match. This is a quick tack coat. Okay, this is the color. It doesn't look like much, obviously, at this stage, but it's definitely not primer anymore. Definitely no primer anymore. We're not in primer anymore, nor are we in Kansas. No, we're not. So, I'm just having some fun today. So, here we go. So, rolling up the edge. See how I talk about that contour? I kind of do it in block here. And if I miss anything, that's no problem. I'll catch it on the second run. That's the center of the car. That's between the two. Let's see here. Trying to catch this for my own self later on. One second. Yeah, between here and that window washer reservoir, that center area is what I'm going to be hitting big time. This is me coming back down the center of the vehicle, center of the hood. Alright. Alright, so 10 minutes. We'll let her be. Okay. I notice when I keep my camera still, when I want to upload that video that catches people's attention, I guess this is when it does it right here. I don't know. Hopefully you guys are watching it based on the title, not just a picture. Alright, so if I can do it, you guys can do it better. That's coat number 1. That's the light tack coat. Alright.